Budgeting is one of the less glamorous tasks of organizing your awards program, but it's pretty essential. The good news is that you only need a little bit of planning and foresight, and some money, to create an effective and sustainable budget. That's why in today's video, we'll unravel the art of awards program budgeting, providing practical insights and expert advice to help you maximize the impact of your program. Before you start anything else, do a recap on your ongoing or previous programs if you have any. Focus on the financial aspects and the challenges you had. Were there any budgeting issues or unexpected expenses? Did you manage to complete everything you wanted while staying within your financial limits? The answers to those questions will help you gain valuable insight from your past experiences and lay the foundation for effective budgeting for the upcoming award programs. If this is your first program, your starting point will be step 2, evaluating the program's goals and objectives. During the planning phase, you identified your program's goals and objectives. Now is the time to use them to set your budget priorities. For example, if one of your goals is to have a high submission rate, ensure you allocate enough money for marketing and useful tools like a word management solution, which can help you increase participation and handle your anticipated volume of entries. The third step is to outline all expenses, leaving no stone unturned. Consider the various elements that contribute to the success of an awards program, accounting for both direct and indirect costs. Here are a few examples to start you off with. Number 1 is website development, design, hosting, and maintenance. Number 2 is branding. For new and redesigned programs, set aside funds for logo design and brand image development. Number 3 is judges' compensation. Even if their services are not paid, consider thoughtful tokens of appreciation for their hard work. Number 4 are administration expenses like personnel or hiring other people to help you with the awards. Number 5 are tech and tools, which you will use during the whole planning process, like an awards management solution, a social media management tool, AI apps, or anything else you might need to improve your work. Number 6, consider marketing and advertising, like targeted ads, collaboration with influencers, and social media promotion to attract participants. Number 7, if you're going to have an actual event to announce the winners, whether that would be a live awards ceremony, an online event, or a hybrid format, you need to allocate funds for all the necessary expenses. Number 8 are prizes like monetary rewards, certificates, and commemorative items. And at number 9, we have contingency funds to cover unexpected expenses and inflation. To balance the symphony of all of the expenses you just outlined, your next step is to identify the revenue streams to fund your program other than the budget you already have. Explore multiple avenues of potential income, such as sponsorships, paid entries, and partnerships with relevant organizations. By diversifying your income streams, you create a stable financial foundation for your awards program. Finally, it's time to put the puzzle together by allocating your financial resources. Think of it as assembling the Avengers. Consider all insight gained from the previous steps and weigh the importance of each program component. Assume the role of Nick Fury, but with less swearing, of course, and use your strategic mindset to prioritize the essential elements that directly contribute to the program's success, considering the potential return on investment. Remember the golden rule of budgeting: you should always see a positive number at the end. So ensure you have more income than the anticipated expenses, otherwise you run the risk of failing. And just like that, your program budgeting is done. It wasn't so bad, right? Now you can proudly say you're the awards program budgeting superhero and confidently move on to the next, more glamorous stages.